Here we are going to show you how to install a shower enclosure with a door and wall. In some countries, you need to use a professional in order to meet local plumbing and building regulations. Please check whether this applies to you. We recommend 2 people to install this combination. In this solution, we decided to keep the door on the left side and the wall on the right. Before you start, make sure all parts are included as listed in the assembly instructions. After unboxing the doors and the aluminium profiles, start the installation by measuring the positions of the profiles from the corner of your bathroom. For the glass shower wall, measure 860mm from the corner of your bathroom wall. And for the shower door, measure 870mm. Next, you need to drill 4 holes in each aluminium profile. Place the profile against the wall and mark the positions of the holes, 160 to 200mm and 700 to 740mm from the top, and use the same measurements for the bottom. The goal is to choose the location of the holes not too close to the edge of the tiles. Drill the holes in the profiles with a 5mm drill bit. The bigger profile is for the door and the slimmer one is for the wall. Position the glass door profile, which is the slimmer profile, on the wall with the marks lining up with the outside face. Use a spirit level to ensure that it's vertical. Mark out the holes on the wall. If you're using the wall plugs provided, drill 6mm holes into the wall using a suitable drill bit. A good tip here is to use the small bag that comes with the screws to collect the drill dust. Fill the holes with bathroom approved silicone. Fit the plugs. And fill the plugs with silicone. Repeat with the door profile. Add silicone to the wall and fit each profile. Attach them to the wall with the screws that come as part of the package. These are suitable for use in bathrooms. Now it's time to prepare the shower wall and door for installation. These are made from aluminium and 6mm thick tempered safety glass that is durable and impact resistant. Protect the floor in order to avoid damage to it or to the shower door and wall. Measure and cut the bottom seal of the shower wall so that it is 10mm shorter than the length of the bottom of the glass. Fit the magnetic seals to both the door and wall so that they are level with the bottom of the glass. Measure, cut and fit the bottom seal for the shower door, ensuring that the correct end of the seal is cut. The lip should be on the inside of the shower area. It's now time to install the shower wall. Place the wall into the wall profile. Do the same thing with the door. Make sure that they are aligned. You do this by checking that the top of the glass on both is at the same level, and that the 2 magnetic seals are aligned and fully in contact with each other. Measure where to fix the shower door and wall screen. Make sure the fixings match the profiles on the inside of the shower enclosure. Make sure that you are not drilling too close to the glass profile. Add silicone to the plastic caps and cover the screws. Fit the handles onto the door. Make sure the door is in a closed position. Then adjust the bottom hinge by tightening the 2 screws in the hinge base. Now mark, remove and cut the magnetic seals to the right length. Then refit them. Fit the bracing bar to the shower wall. It can be mounted from the wall or the ceiling. In this case, we mount the bracing bar from the wall. First, you measure the distance between the glass shower wall and the opposite bathroom wall. This measurement can vary depending on your wall. In this case, we get 84cm. After measuring the rod to 84cm, we need to take away 4cm from the total measurement of the rod. In this case, 80cm. Cut the bar. Assemble the fitting for the rod according to the assembly instruction, and then mount the rod to the glass wall and wall. Make sure the rod is level all the way across and then mark where you are drilling. If you're using the wall plugs provided, drill 6mm holes into the wall using a suitable drill bit. Screw in the rod holder. Once this is complete, insert the rod and attach it to the shower wall. Ensure the door is in closed position and make sure the magnetic seals are lined up before tightening. Use the Allen key provided to tighten the screws which secure stability of the shower wall. Finally, add the end cap. Place the floor trim in the door opening. To do this, you need to line up the small notch in the hinge end with the base screw. Leave approximately 1mm gap between the ends and the wall profile. With the aluminium profile parallel to the front edge of the tray, fit the end cap. Leave approximately 1mm gap between the cap and the wall base seal. Apply silicone to all parts of floor trim and wipe any excess silicone. The reason for installing the floor trim is to stop excess water from escaping from the shower. Finally, apply silicone around the outside of the enclosure in order to seal it. Do not seal the inside of the enclosure. You need to wait 24 hours before opening the door and using your new IKEA shower enclosure. In some countries, additional steps may be required in order to meet local building regulations. Check whether this applies to you.